Struggling to find a portable blender that's powerful, compact, and versatile enough for your on-the-go lifestyle? With so many options flooding the market, pinpointing the perfect one can be overwhelming. We've sifted through countless models, testing their performance, battery life, and convenience to bring you the top 5 best portable blenders. Our list highlights each blender's key features, ensuring you get the best blend of power and portability. Stay tuned as we dive into what makes these blenders and how you can choose the best one tailored to your needs. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Ninja BC151NV. The Ninja BC151NV portable blender is designed for those who need a blend of convenience and power while on the move. This compact blender offers an 18-ounce capacity, making it perfect for preparing smoothies and shakes wherever you are. Its lightweight and portable design, weighing only 1.7 pounds, features a cordless, rechargeable 7.4-volt power base that supports USB-C charging. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this portable blender excels in blending frozen ingredients and ice with its innovative blast blade assembly. The ribbed vessel enhances blending efficiency by creating a vortex, ensuring smooth results every time. Equipped with a comfortable hinged carry handle and an easy open sip lid, this blender allows for hassle-free blending and drinking from the same vessel. The separate power and blend buttons prevent accidental blending, while the BPA-free dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. This portable blender stands out as a practical choice for anyone seeking a blend of portability and performance. Its 18-ounce capacity and powerful 7.4-volt rechargeable base make it ideal for preparing smoothies and shakes on the go. The durable stainless steel construction, coupled with the innovative blast blade assembly, ensures effective blending of frozen ingredients and ice. Overall, with its combination of portability, efficiency, and ease of use, the Ninja portable blender delivers exceptional value and performance for those in need of a reliable blending solution. Number 4. BlendJet portable blender. The BlendJet portable blender in elegant black is engineered to provide both convenience and versatility for blending on the move. With a capacity of 16 fluid ounces and compact dimensions of 3 inches in diameter, 3 inches in width, and 9.3 inches in height, it is designed to fit easily in your bag or cup holder while still offering ample space for a variety of blending tasks. Constructed from durable stainless steel and ABS and ASP plastics, this blender is built to withstand regular use and is ideal for blending at home, at work, outdoors, or anywhere you need a quick and efficient solution. Featuring patented turbojet technology, the blender delivers powerful performance, effortlessly handling tough ingredients such as ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens. Its USB-C rechargeable battery provides enough power for up to 15 blends in a single hour of charging, making it highly convenient for frequent use. The self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance. Simply blend water with a drop of dish soap, and the blender is ready for its next use. Additionally, the pulse mode allows it to function as a versatile food processor, ideal for making dips, salsas, and other culinary creations. The lock mode feature ensures safe carrying and use, preventing spills while on the go. In summary, the BlendJet portable blender combines functionality, ease of use, and portability, making it a practical choice for those seeking a compact and effective blending solution for a variety of uses. Number 3. Hioo portable blender. The Hioo portable blender is designed to offer both versatility and convenience for on-the-go blending. With a capacity of 1,000 milliliters, this blender is ideal for making smoothies, juices, and even baby food. Its compact size, 10.04 inches in diameter, 4.09 inches in width, and 6.1 inches in height, ensures it fits comfortably in various settings, from your kitchen counter to your travel bag. This portable blender is powered by a 120-watt motor and features a durable 304 stainless steel 10-leaf blade that operates at 18,000 RPM. This high-speed technology enables this blender to effortlessly handle frozen ingredients and ice, providing smooth blends in seconds. The blade design and motor power make it effective for creating a wide range of drinks, including smoothies with small ice cubes and frozen fruits. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. It comes with a detachable handle and a lanyard, making it easy to carry to the office, gym, or on trips. The blender includes an easy open sip lid, allowing you to blend and drink directly from the same vessel, adding to its convenience. The blender's user-friendly design includes a double-click power button and an inverted blending mechanism, ensuring effective operation for a variety of ingredients in just 40 seconds. Overall, the Hioo portable blender is a standout choice for those seeking a blend of convenience, efficiency, and portability. Its 1,000 milliliter capacity makes it suitable for a variety of uses, from smoothies to baby food, while its compact dimensions ensure it's easy to carry and store. Number 2. Cuisinart RPB-100. This portable manual blender in sleek black is crafted to offer convenience and efficiency for blending on the go. With a capacity of 16 ounces, it is ideal for making smoothies, protein shakes, and juices while traveling or at home. Its compact dimensions, 3.5 inches in diameter, 3.9 inches in width, and 11.69 inches in height, ensure that it fits easily into a kitchen cabinet or a travel bag, making it an excellent choice for those who need a portable blending solution. The blender features a durable metal construction and a stainless steel blade, providing robust performance for a variety of ingredients. The stainless steel blade ensures effective blending of fruits, vegetables, and other components, delivering smooth results quickly. Its manual operation allows users to have complete control over the blending process, which can be particularly useful when preparing different types of drinks or recipes. A standout feature of this portable blender is its rechargeable design. It fully charges in up to 2 hours, offering up to 20 minutes of continuous blending time on a single charge. This ensures that you can prepare multiple servings or use the blender throughout the day without needing frequent recharges. The blender is equipped with LED display controls, which provide a modern, user-friendly interface for easy operation. Although the unit is not dishwasher safe, it is designed for simple hand cleaning, which is manageable given its compact size. Overall, this portable manual blender combines efficient performance with user-friendly features in a compact, travel-friendly design. It offers a practical solution for those who need a reliable blender for both home use and on-the-go situations, making it a versatile addition to any active lifestyle. Number 1. Beast Portable Blender. This portable blender in sleek carbon black combines powerful performance with a compact design, making it ideal for those who need a versatile blending solution on the go. With a generous 1,000 milliliter capacity, it's well suited for preparing a variety of beverages, including smoothies and shakes, whether at home or while traveling. Crafted from a blend of stainless steel, aluminum, and plastic, this blender is built for durability and ease of use. Its 1,000-watt motor provides robust blending power, capable of handling both liquid and dry ingredients. The pulse feature adds flexibility, allowing users to achieve precise blending results for different recipes. A key highlight of this portable blender is its range of attachments, which enhance its versatility. The package includes a blade holder, 2 storage lids, a drinking lid, and a glass hydration bottle with a removable stainless steel infuser. It also comes with both a 1,000 milliliter and a 500 milliliter blending vessel, catering to various blending needs and preferences. The blender operates on a corded power source with a voltage of 120 volts, ensuring reliable performance. It is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup straightforward and hassle-free. Weighing 6.7 pounds, it is sturdy yet manageable, providing stability during use. In summary, this portable blender stands out for its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and compact design. It offers a practical solution for blending at home or on the go, delivering reliable performance and ease of use for a variety of blending tasks. In conclusion, our review of the top 5 portable blenders presents excellent options for various needs. The Ninja Portable Blender combines lightweight convenience with powerful blending performance, making it ideal for on-the-go smoothies and shakes. The BlendJet Portable Blender offers compact size, powerful turbojet technology, and self-cleaning features, perfect for frequent use and versatile blending tasks. The Hioo Portable Blender excels with its large capacity and high-speed motor, designed for both substantial blends and portability. The Cuisinart Portable Blender balances manual operation with a quick recharge time, providing reliable performance for everyday use. Finally, the Beast Portable Blender stands out with its powerful motor and versatile attachments, catering to a wide range of blending needs. Each blender brings unique strengths, ensuring you find the best match for your portable blending requirements.